Good day, everyone. I'm here today to talk about Davido concerning what Davido said in an interview in America. Let's listen to Davido, and after that, we can continue.
But my original question was like, so for if people want to leave America and like try to find those
Leave America and go where?
back home,
Let's be honest. Go back where? It's not cool back home.
it's not.
My country now is in the economy now is in shambles. Like,
But if okay, so if people are leaving,
I do my part.
Yeah.
I'm an ambassador. So when I go home and I'm filming and showing, I'm not gonna show the bad parts. I ain't gonna show all the
You're not gonna try to slum. You're not gonna show the trenches.
No, I go to the trenches.
Yeah.
I film trenches, but I'm talking about the situation in the country.
Yeah.
We Nigerians, you know what I'm saying? Like now the exchange rate is messed up. A lot of stuff not going well. You know what I'm saying? The economy is just not good anymore.
Yeah.
The oil prices are too high. And imagine a country that produces oil. We produce the oil, and we paying more money for oil than a country that's importing the oil. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
there's stuff like that. But regardless, entertainment is one of the things that's made Africa look good.
Yeah.
We do not have the best leaders. That's a fact.
So the next video I want to show you is a woman that is speaking against what Davido said. Let's listen to her.
Davido is one of the privileged Nigerians who are dual citizens. He talks about his Atlanta background a lot. Did he do a service to the Nigerian who doesn't have that privilege? No, because that Nigerian needs an investor who would set up and create an enabling labor market that will give him life, that will empower him, that will employ him. What Davido has simply done is that when Asiwaju is taking a plane to country to look for the foreign investors that will come here, he's told them, don't come. Has he done a service to the average Nigerian inside Ede that does not know the royal family of Ede? Has he done a service to the Nigerians in Omwaron, who is in the bush trying to get wood? Has he done anybody a privilege in the rice farms in Bida? No, he hasn't. We know that the country is hard. And what you can say is it's bad here. It's not bad. Did you hear the campaigns? During the elections, just the concluded election, did you hear the campaigns? That's of what the reality of America is. See, the point is, no matter how true your truth is, all your truth, if it's not going to be of service to your people, it's in the corridors where he could make that noise privately, but no, he chose to tell that person on it that America care, come where care. Whereas what we need is foreign investors. That's what our government has said we needed. Except Davido can show me 2-3 companies where he's producing beans, rice, the local food for the local man, so that he can be talking. Yes, we will know what you're talking, but you're still talking amongst yourselves.
We all have listened to what the woman said. Now, for everything where this woman talk now, it should say she gets sense. Look at the rubbish that she's saying. What Nigeria need is investors. Shey investors they rule this country. Shey investors go reduce fuel price. Big man talk on her behalf, wahala. Poor man talk on her behalf, wahala. Many Nigerians are the problem of this country because many of them don't reason. She gonna talk all this rubbish so that top politicians go notice her, give her money, or give her endorsements, because that is what we are seeing in this country today. People go to suffer, people go to talk good about bad governments. So many Nigerians can never appreciate good things. Americans too, they speak, if their government is bad, they speak against it. Their government will work towards it, but Nigeria, if I talk every bad where the government they do today, do not concern government. People are hungry, people are dying of hunger. And she's dead, saying all manner of rubbish. Davido this, Davido that. She said that no matter the truth in you, if that truth is not favorable to your country, that you better not say it. Us why? Person go dey speak English, you go think say you get sense. One on one, no single sense dey that head. Isi konkom. Make people dey hide truth. Thanks to Chukwu that Davido is not an Igbo person. If na Igbo person, the matter for still dey hot now. They haven't saying that they want to cancel his show. You won't cancel his show because he talk truth. And I saw so many Nigerians on TikTok speaking against Davido because of what he said. More people everywhere. Also why? I beg you.